As the world becomes more environmentally conscious, more and more companies are recognizing the importance of sustainability. However, few have taken it as seriously as IBM. In recent years, the technology giant has made significant efforts to reduce its carbon footprint and promote sustainable practices across its global operations. From investing in renewable energy to collaborating with cities to address air pollution, IBM has become a leader in environmental sustainability. So, how did this tech giant become a champion of the environment? Let's take a closer look at IBM's sustainability journey. The first story. In the early 20th century, IBM's then CEO Thomas Watson Jr. decided to launch a campaign called Think. The campaign aimed to inspire IBM employees to think creatively and to innovate, as well as to instill a culture of continuous improvement within the company. The Think campaign became iconic in IBM's history, with posters and other materials bearing the Think slogan appearing in IBM offices worldwide. Watson believed that by encouraging employees to think and innovate, IBM could stay ahead of its competitors and continue to grow. The campaign was not just about promoting innovation, it also had a social component. Watson believed that innovation could help solve some of the world's most pressing problems, and he wanted IBM employees to think about how they could contribute to making the world a better place. The Think campaign was hugely successful, and it remains a core part of IBM's culture to this day. In fact, the word think has become so closely associated with IBM that the company even registered it as a trademark. Overall, the Think campaign is an excellent example of how IBM has been able to create a culture of innovation and continuous improvement, while also promoting social responsibility and a commitment to making the world a better place. 2. IBM's design thinking approach. IBM has long been known for its design thinking approach, which is a problem-solving methodology that puts the user at the center of the solution. The design thinking approach involves understanding user needs, ideating and prototyping solutions, and testing and iterating until the best solution is found. IBM's design thinking approach has been instrumental in developing innovative products and services that meet the needs of its customers. One notable example is IBM Watson, a cognitive computing system that can analyze and interpret large amounts of data to provide insights and recommendations. The design thinking approach is also a core part of IBM's culture, with employees trained in design thinking methodologies and encouraged to apply them in their work. This approach has led to a more collaborative and customer-focused culture at IBM, where employees are empowered to think creatively and come up with innovative solutions. One example of IBM's design thinking approach in action is the company's Garage methodology, which is a way of working that emphasizes speed and agility in developing solutions. The Garage methodology involves working in small, cross-functional teams that iterate quickly and get feedback from users early and often. This approach has been particularly successful in developing software and other digital solutions. 3. The reverse mentoring program. In the early 2000s, IBM noticed a gap in the digital skills of some of its senior executives. Many of them were not as familiar with new technologies as their younger counterparts. To bridge this gap, IBM introduced a reverse mentoring program. In the reverse mentoring program, junior employees were paired with senior executives to help them learn new digital skills and stay up to date with the latest technology trends. The idea was that these younger employees could share their knowledge and experience with their older counterparts, while also learning valuable leadership skills from them. The reverse mentoring program was hugely successful at IBM, and it has since been adopted by many other companies. By promoting cross-generational collaboration and learning, the program helped to break down barriers and foster a culture of innovation within IBM. One notable success story from the reverse mentoring program was the partnership between then CEO Sam Palmisano and a young marketing manager named Ben Edwards. Edwards helped Palmisano become more familiar with social media and digital marketing, and the two worked together to create a successful social media strategy for IBM. The reverse mentoring program also helped IBM to stay ahead of its competitors by fostering a culture of continuous learning and innovation. By recognizing the value of diverse perspectives and experiences, IBM was able to leverage the expertise of its employees and stay at the forefront of the technology industry. The fourth story. In recent years, IBM has become a leader in environmental sustainability. The company has made significant efforts to reduce its carbon footprint and promote sustainable practices across its global operations. One of IBM's most significant sustainability initiatives is its commitment to renewable energy. The company has set a goal to source 55% of its electricity from renewable sources by 2025, and it has already made significant progress towards this target. IBM has invested in solar and wind power projects around the world, and it has also implemented energy efficiency measures across its operations. IBM's sustainability efforts go beyond renewable energy. The company has also implemented a range of measures to reduce waste, conserve resources, and promote sustainable practices among its suppliers and customers. For example, IBM has implemented a zero waste to landfill policy at many of its facilities, and it has introduced sustainable packaging solutions for its products. One notable success story from IBM's sustainability efforts is the company's collaboration with the city of Beijing, China, to address air pollution. IBM worked with the city to develop a sophisticated air quality monitoring system, which uses real-time data to inform decision-making and improve air quality. The system has been a significant success, and it has helped to improve the health and well-being of millions of people in Beijing. In conclusion, IBM's sustainability efforts show that the company is not only focused on profit but also cares about the planet and the well-being of future generations. By prioritizing sustainability, IBM has become a role model for other companies to follow. As the world faces increasing environmental challenges, it is essential that more companies follow IBM's example and work towards a more sustainable future. Who knows, perhaps IBM's commitment to sustainability will inspire even more exciting and innovative solutions in the future. Thank you.